Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add your Instagram Reels to your highlights. So let's get right into it. Now, there is no direct way to actually add your reels to your highlights. However, you can do so by posting them on your story, and from then on, you can post those stories into your highlights, and then people will be able to access your reels through your highlights. Now, the entirety of the reel won't be within the highlight itself because the story limit, as far as I know, is about 15 seconds, but you can very easily share them there, and you can very easily just add them that way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my account page, then I'm going to go and find one of my reels. So for example, let's say this reel, and let's say I want to add it to my story. You can do it from here, or if you can click the reel, you'll go into the full video mode. It really doesn't matter. You just need to share that reel by clicking the share button, then going over and searching for the add to story button, which in this case is on the very beginning. Click on that. You can just expand it to the entirety of the screen, then click on your story, and then just not now, and pause these messages. So this should be added to my story right now. So let me go over and look at my stories from here. And as you can see, it's still posting. So let's just wait until it posts fully. And then once it posts, we can then go on and add it to our highlights. So once it finishes loading up, let's just wait until that happens. Pretty much all you need to do is just click one button anyway, and then you can add it to whichever highlights you would like. So it should post within a couple of seconds. Let me just reload the page. There we go. It's now been posted. Click on highlight at the bottom, select the highlight you want to add it to. And now, as you'll see, if I go into my account, go into my highlights, and scroll to the third one, as you can see, we've now posted that story. It will last for 15 seconds, but that is pretty much it. People can click on this and watch the full reel anyway, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.